In today's episode, we'll show you a few tips for a perfect baby boomer. If you haven't mastered a perfect gradient yet, then this is an episode for you. Hi, my name is Connie, and this is a channel dedicated to the art of nail styling. In today's episode, we'll show you a few tricks on how to do a perfect baby boomer. Products and tools we'll use in today's episode are mineral bases in sophisticated and porcelain, transparent gel polishes in the One and Wi-Fi Wife, additionally tip-top top coat, nail art white paste, mini ombre sponges, X-type tweezers, and a double-sided mixing tool. Baby boomer is a design that needs no introduction. Everybody knows it, and everybody knows how to do it, because how can you not? It's a French manicure, but in an ombre or gradient version. But in practice, not every stylist knows how to create a perfect tonal transition in a baby boomer. Hence, today's episode. We'll share our tips which will help you create the most beautiful baby boomer in town. We cover the tip with mineral base in sophisticated. We apply 2 coats and cure each one in the lamp for 30 seconds. Then we cover it with the transparent shade Wi-Fi Wife in a subtle pink hue and cure in the lamp for 30 seconds. Transparent gel polishes like Wi-Fi Wife, or for the native Polish speakers, Wi-Fi Wife, can be used on their own or as an addition to another color, for example, on top of a mineral base coat. You can use these transparent shades to play, mix them, and create very interesting effects. What's interesting is, I think, these transparent gels are not super popular in Poland, for example, whereas clients behind the Polish eastern border love this effect, so of course stylists there use them left, right and center. It's fascinating that we're so close and yet there are certain differences. I'd encourage you to try these transparent products because it's often the case that what is already trending in the East catches up in the West within a few years. So try Wi-Fi Wife, or however you want to call it, Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi, whatever. It's a beautiful shade that will come in handy in many designs. We cover the second tip with 2 layers of mineral base in sophisticated, curing each one in the lamp for 30 seconds. This time we'll use a different transparent gel, more beige in tone, the One. Have a look at the cool effect it delivers. We apply 1 thin layer of color onto the entire surface of the tip and cure in the lamp for 30 seconds. This is what the transparent gels in Wi-Fi Wife and the One look like on top of the mineral base in sophisticated. We can see a pinkish glow on one of the tips, while the other turned a subtle beige shade. The second helpful tip for a perfect baby boomer is to keep your work tidy and free of impurities. It's important that no particles and specks stick to the surface of your baby boomer nails. In order to achieve this, we must properly prepare our ombre sponge. We place the mini sponge into the X-type tweezers, then dab it gently against the sticky side of a nail extension form. Cleaning the sponge against the purple form is a great method, but to be able to execute it, we need to do one thing first. The glue on the form is too strong to start cleaning the sponge with it straight away. Instead of just picking up the debris and impurities, it could damage the structural surface of the sponge. So, first we must get rid of some of the glue by pressing the form against a surface, or hand for example, a few times. Once the glue layer is weakened, we dab the ombre sponge against it, get rid of any impurities, and then move on to applying the color. Using the mixing tool, we apply the nail art white paste to the bottom part of the tip and move on to blending. The third helpful tip is the proper positioning of the sponge whilst working. We hold the sponge parallel to the nail. We blend using the middle part so that most of the product stays in the center. We move energetically to the right, then to the left side, and slowly move the sponge upwards. We move back to the center, then go lower. The bottom part of the sponge allows us to gather up any excess product. When the first layer is thoroughly blended, we cure the tip in the lamp for 30 seconds. We repeat the whole process. We apply the nail art paste to the bottom part of the tip, we clean the sponge again, and then the second layer of color using the same method as before. From the middle to the sides, then bit by bit move the sponge up and back down again. Cure in the lamp for 30 seconds. If you decide that the color is not intense enough, add more paste and increase the coverage. Remember that before every use of the sponge, you need to clean it so that no impurities make it to the surface of the nail. We'll do the second tip in the same way. We place the nail art paste onto the cured surface of the 1 and blend in the same manner as before, making sure to work with the middle part of the sponge. We blend to the sides, then move up and down. The first layer needs to be blended thoroughly. There should be no bubbles or sponge imprints. We cure in the lamp for 30 seconds. We add another layer of paste and blend. We aim for the bottom of the tip to be very densely pigmented. We cure in the lamp for 30 seconds. The fourth helpful tip is covering the baby boomer with a thin layer of mineral base. Onto the pink hued nails, we apply a thin layer of the mineral base in porcelain, the lightest one in our colour range. Using the brush from the bottle, we spread the product on the entire surface of the tip and cure in the lamp for 30 seconds. We use the mineral base instead of the top coat. Yes, it's so shiny by itself, you don't need a top coat. This is a 3-in-1 product: base, colour and top coat. I will keep repeating myself because I feel not everyone remembers this. Besides, it's a godsend. If something goes wrong with the bleeding and the tonal transition is not quite what we hope for, applying a tinted top, for example, the mineral base, will conceal it a little bit, and that is our aim. Additionally, if the nail is perfectly blended, adding a mineral base as a top coat gives it this beautiful, shiny glow. The fifth tip, and the last one, is the last transfer of the paste from the sponge onto the nail secured with a top coat. We cover the second tip with tip-top top coat. We apply a very thin layer and cure in the lamp for 30 seconds. Using the remainder of the product in the sponge, we touch up the shading. We do the so-called last squeeze. It allows us to achieve a more precise transition and conceals any potential imperfections. We cure in the lamp for 30 seconds, then secure the nail again with tip-top top coat and cure in the lamp for 60 seconds. When it comes to this suggestion, we need a really runny top coat, so tip-top will work best. If we use wet look, we'll end up with a 3D effect, which in this case we really don't want. It would look as if the nail art paste was sort of floating in midair, which is why we reach for tip-top and proceed as instructed. That's what a perfect baby boomer looks like in 2 different shades. And with that, we've come to the end of our episode. Let us know in the comments below which of the tips was most useful to you. Or maybe you have some sort of your own personal tips that you'd like to share in the comments. Well, we'd love to hear them. Thank you for tuning in and see you next Wednesday. Bye.